Welcome to VTEC Academy. You're about to get homeschooled. Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install a new Honda shift boot and a custom shift knob. Thank you, Eli from Run Hard. Thanks, bro! First thing, you're going to put the wrench around the locking nut and twist the shift knob off. This shift knob is great, but it gets really hot in the summer. Now we're going to take off the old shift boot, and it's easiest just popping it off by the surroundings. And don't forget to take off the locking nut. Now we're going to take off the shift boot from the surround, and you're going to need a special T20 bit that looks like a little star to take off the screws. Now all you have to do is pop off the shift boot. Disgusting. Gross! All you have to do is line up the boot with the holes and screw it in. Let's put it back in the car. To put the shifts around on, all you have to do is just clip it in place. And then you can put your locking nut on. And now you can just screw on the new shift knob. Now we can secure it with the locking nut. There. Now Daddy can go rip some VTEC. Thanks for watching. Daddy, you should get a turbo. So you can drive around the street drifting.